Good morning. Today starting a third day for the prep. I'm gonna take some posing routine. Gonna do some sauna and steam. Last day of water. Only have to drink half a gallon of distilled water. See how it goes. Leaning out going good. Just holding a little bit of water. But we have 3 days of water fasting anyway. Let's check it out. All right, here with my coach for this competition, Akasha Statics.
Posing practice.
Yes, Akasha Static, guys, check him on Instagram, YouTube. One of the best mentors. He is my mentor and coach right now. I'm gonna practice some posing. Yes, sir.
Let's go.
Let's go. Let's get it. All right.
Yeah, you know what? Do 5 ounces.
Trying, baby. We're trying.
Do 6 ounces of sweet potato 3 times today. 6 ounces.
120 gram. Okay.
No, no, no.
6 ounces. That's 260.
Yeah.
Oh.
Because that's only going to be 34 carbs.
Oh, for 6 ounces?
34 carbs.
Okay. Does it have that much fiber?
I just looked it up. That's why.
Okay.
Sweet potato doesn't have that much carbs.
But it have a lot of fiber, I bet. If it's that little carb, yeah, for like 6 ounces. Okay.
Only has 5.1 grams of fiber.
So it's just low on everything, right? Yeah.
So do the sweet potato because that's gonna because the white rice you were saying always bloats you.
Yeah, white rice always bloats me.
If it does, then do the sweet potato.
Okay. 6 ounces, 3 times a day. With
Yeah,
how much chicken?
three 6 ounce portions.
Okay, and how much?
And then with
chicken
protein, I think just like 4 or 5 ounces of protein.
per meal.
Yeah.
Okay. And that's all for today. And we'll see tomorrow how it goes.
Let's see how you look. You should be tighter
I
by
should
the
be
evening
filled up.
time.
Correct. Yes. If this kind of carb source works for me, I agree.
Yeah, it should make you tighter by evening.
Okay. By evening. Wow. Okay.
Yeah, so go eat it now and then wait 2 hours, eat it again. Wait 2
Uh-huh.
hours, eat it again.
And finish it off early in the day.
Yeah, but we
Okay.
might eat it again. Let's just, if it keeps making you tired, 100 grams of carbs is nothing.
Yeah.
100 grams is nothing. The body will incinerate that.
I bet I haven't eaten carb for
You
like
probably
2
won't
months.
even get a pump on 100 grams of carbs.
Yeah, that's what I was telling you. My body takes like a couple of days until it fills up. Maybe that's why. Yeah, we'll try with
You need to start it now.
Oh yes. We'll start now. Correct.
Yeah.
Should I?
So, because then what we'll do is we'll look in the evening time. Either you can come to my house or something.
Sure.
And then we'll just look at your physique, and then so get a lot of sweet potato, keep it cooked.
Okay.
Yeah. And then we'll know. And then so thank you. And then tomorrow, I'll buy some rice cakes and all that shit too.
The non-sugar rice cake, so it doesn't
Matter. Just
Okay.
get the not the Quaker,
Oh, not the Quaker. I was about to
the
say,
high quality one.
Which is,
I forgot the brand. I bought it.
you got it?
I bought it. I got it in my house. Let
Okay,
me
just
see.
take a picture. Is it like in Whole Foods or Sprouts?
Nugget, all that place got it.
Not Walmart or Winco.
No, they don't got it.
Ah. So if you want to get good food sources, I mean, not Walmart or Winco.
This one.
Lunderberg. Okay, that's California. Let me take a picture. So this one is zero sugar, right?
No, it has sugar.
But it's better quality, you think?
It's only got like 3 grams of sugar.
Okay.
It's a higher quality rice cake.
We're gonna start that today or like
Just
later?
have it.
Okay, I'll get it. Yeah. Okay,
Might have you eat like one in between meals.
sure.
Much.
And then
Because you want to just give your body like IV carbohydrates.
Yeah, you don't want to over get it, so like it will go to a
Just
different
wanna,
water
and then
retention.
look, every 30 minutes, it should get tighter and tighter and
tighter and tighter around that like
It should
water
be getting
or, like,
tighter and
stagnant.
tighter and
Okay.
tighter and tighter.
Okay.
Yeah. Drink your water normally.
Uh-huh.
Drink your water normally. Yeah, I would get like 2 rolls of rice cakes, all sweet potato, and then go to Nugget, and then get 2 muffins from Nugget for later, for tomorrow.
Is that a good source?
Muffins are great.
Like from Nugget?
Nugget's good quality.
Okay.
Nugget is good quality, and then we'll go to like the Habit or something.
My favorite cheat meal of all time. It's
Yeah.
like heaven. I feel I'm so close to heaven. when
Even
I'm
though they
at
use
it.
the seed oils in the fries, fuck
Yeah,
it.
yeah.
I'm just gonna
fuck
eat it.
I know.
It's gonna be fine.
No, I know. Like this stuff doesn't really affect you right away, and that is not for everyone. Because I didn't eat freaking seed oils and shit for over 2 months, so you can take the risk. What do you think? What's in your head?
Yeah, it's good. It's good. Yeah, you need the carbs.
Yeah, I'm
Honestly,
super,
I don't even think 100 grams is gonna do shit.
yeah, I'm just super depleted right now, man, and it's pretty interesting.
It's stressed out.
I'm not stressed out. I'm
That's
just
probably why you're holding water. Cortisol holds so much water. You might not be stressed out mentally, but your body's under stress.
maybe I'm not noticing it. Yeah, correct.
Because if you haven't eaten like carbs in a month, you're probably adapted to operating
2
on a high
months.
level of stress.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's not good. We should introduce carbs.
Okay. Okay. Carbs are
Because in
good.
the bodybuilding type of style,
Chicken
you're eating
rice.
carbs regularly.
Yeah, I know.
So that way your body knows how to use them.
Correct. Yeah. Eating Chris Bumstead was like eating chicken.
Oatmeal, all this stuff.
Yeah, chicken and rice while he's getting tanned. You know, and zucchini or like squash or something. Chicken, rice, and zucchini. Chicken, rice, and zucchini. Chicken, rice, and zucchini. Every like 1.5 or 2 hours. The day of the show. Shit ton of carbs, shit ton of protein, and slow digestion with the fiber, so you can hold all that shit off. Yeah.
For you, we're just gonna do the carbs today like that.
Okay.
See tomorrow, and then tomorrow we can do in the morning some oatmeal and stuff.
I got a shit ton of oatmeal.
Yeah, with some oatmeal, some eggs,
Uh-huh.
and then later on Wade do a muffin. Later on Wade do another muffin, and then do like the burger fries. And your protein will be low. Your overall caloric intake will be low, so your body
Yeah,
will just
yeah.
transport.
Yeah, people can get shredded on shitty diets, but it's not like the ultimate health. But right now, it's manipulation kind of thing, so I understand. Yeah.
Mm-hmm.
All right, guys, let's check this out. So far, I'm holding a little bit of water under the lower abs area. Let me show you. Look. So just this little bit. So it turns out that that's just a fat. So Akash, my coach for this competition, told me to start with 6 ounces of sweet potatoes and tilapia because it's fast digesting, and we're gonna be doing that every 90 minutes, 2 hours. Wish me luck. It's pretty intense, but I'm enjoying every part of it. See you in the second meal.
Love is just a history that they may prove, and when you're gone, I'll tell them my religion's you. When punctures come to kill the king upon his throne, I'm ready for their stones. I'll dance, dance, dance with my hands, hands, hands above my head, head, head. Like Jesus said, I'm gonna dance, dance, dance with my hands, hands, hands above my head. Dance together, forgive him before he's dead, because I won't cry for you. I won't crucify the things you do. I won't cry for you. See
right, you guys. So it has been like over 2 months. I haven't eaten any sugar or any part of out of carnivore, which is pretty much steak, chicken, uh, and stuff like that. During the bulking phase, like I mentioned in carnivore, I was drinking raw milk. So I'm very, very depleted. And my friend Akash and the coach for this tournament is letting me know that when I add carbs, it actually would suck up the water because we're doing this distilled water. So it's literally sucking up everything from your body, and we're going lower from 3 gallons to today is the last one, just 1 gallon, and tomorrow half a gallon, and Saturday we're gonna fast. So in this meal, we got 9 ounces of tilapia and 9 ounces of sweet potatoes. It looks boring, I know. If you look at it, it definitely is. But I always have eaten for function during my whole life, even as a teenager, even as a kid. I was always eating for function because I had championships, I had tournaments, I had like fighting in kung fu, and during these times we would lose weight before the tournament. So I got used to like not really care about food, getting used to like eating whatever just to make it happen. And from this time on, I was always been eating functional. And I guess it's only the athletes would relate, but that's something we all can apply in our life. Our need for food and attachment to that high sugar that is more addictive than some illicit drugs is actually very dangerous for your health, detrimental to your liver. So we're gonna go with this one. And he told me hopefully by the end of the day, we're gonna be actually like sucking up all that water that is left out around the midsection, like you guys showed you earlier, and it's supposed to like easily make the muscle full and glycogen, because we did a full body pump today and it was complete glycogen depletion, man. And after that we did 30 minutes of like 15% incline and 20 minutes in sauna, so almost an hour of like cardio. So I feel very depleted. Even the first meal I didn't feel anything. I went from 6 and 6 to like 9 and 9. I got one more. It's been 2.5 hours since the first meal, and we're trying to carb up so we can have a full physique. This is just a trial week. The competition still, after we're done with this, going to be like 13 days apart. So we have a little bit of adjustment. We can understand how the body reacts, and will give us a good insight about like how definitely my body reacts. We talked about rice. I definitely hold water with white rice. So he recommended that I go with sweet potatoes, of course, no salt, and I'm just gonna dig in. See you in the next meal. All right, guys, it's last meal of the day. It's almost 12. So we're going with same thing, almost 8 ounces of tilapia and 7 ounces of sweet potato. And because I'm so flat, we're adding a blueberry muffin, which is my favorite, before bed. This will be the last meal of the day. So hopefully tomorrow I'll be filled up, and that's where we're at right now. Let's get it. Okay. See the result tomorrow. Take care. Be safe. Be healthy. Spread love. And I'll see you tomorrow.